everyone. We are going to see that is welcome back to our social class. See now we are going to learn about that is land and ocean. Yes, this is your second part. That is in land and ocean. That is geography second lesson we are viewing. Yes, we are focusing on land and ocean. Yes, see we are going to study that is classification of landforms. Yes, so in this session we are going to study about that is classification of landforms. See in the part 1 we have learned about the three categories. That is three classification of landforms. Yes, just we have viewed that. See, let's learn deeply in this session. Yes, see first order landforms. Yes, we are having three classification of landforms. See, in this session we are going to learn about the first classification. That is first order landforms. Yes, see first order landforms refers to that is continents and ocean. Yes, what are they? That is continents and oceans. Yes, continents means what? That is continents refers to what? Vast land masses on earth. Vast land masses on earth. Earth means bhumi. You know that? So vast means such a big. Yes, such a big one. So vast land masses on earth. So bhumi will this vast land masses of such a big space. It occupies such a big space. Yes. So that is the land masses of earth. Yes. So continents refers to land masses on earth. So it occupies such a big space on earth, right? So that is a continent, and it consists of how many continents we are having? That is, we are having 7 continents. Yes, we are having 7 continents. See, what are they? Let me list that. First continent, that is Asia. Yes. Next, Africa. So second, Africa. Then Europe. Next, Australia. Yes. Antarctica. So North America and South America. Yes. So these are all the 7 continents. See, what are they? See, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America. Yes. So these are all the 7 continents we are having. And among these, which one is the largest continent? See, Asia. Yes. This is the largest continent. That is, Asia is the largest continent in this world. Yes. Then, which one among these continents, that is, which one is the smallest continent? Smallest. That is Australia. Yes. So Australia is the smallest continent in this world. Yes. So these two are the, that is main. That is, this is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent among these 7 continents. Yes. So that's it about the continents. Yes. Next, coming to the oceans. See, what is ocean? Ocean, that is, it refers to what? Huge water bodies. Oceans mean பெருங்கடல். Yes. So it always fulfilled with water. Yes. So such a huge water bodies. Yes. Huge water bodies refers to what? Oceans. And I told you that the process, yes, it came from where? That is from the beginning, that is pond, lake, river, sea, then finally oceans. Yes. Then it converted into oceans. So that is the process of this ocean forming. Yes. So it refers to what? Huge water bodies. It always fulfilled with water. That is ocean, right? See, we are having 5 oceans. Yes, how many oceans? We are having 5 oceans. Let's list out that. See, Pacific Ocean. Yes. Atlantic Ocean. Indian Ocean. Southern Ocean. Next, finally, these five are the, that is, we are having in our social. That is, we are having five oceans. Yes, in our world. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And among these five, which one is the largest one? See, Pacific Peningadal. Yes, in Tamil we used to say that Pacific Peningadal. Yes, so Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Yes, that's such a biggest ocean. Yes, then which one is the smallest one? Arctic Ocean. So Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean among these five oceans. Yes, so these are the oceans. It refers to huge water bodies. It consists of five oceans. It is Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. Yes, so these are all the about continents and oceans. Yes, let's switch on to the land classification. It is Sangam period. Yes, so land classification with Sangam period. So we know that already. Land. What are the lands we are having? What are the kinds of land we are having? That is, in Tamil we used to say Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Yes, so five classification we are having in land. Yes, so land classification, see that what are they? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Yes, see, let's see about the Sangam period of each. Yes, see, Kurunji. Kurunji refers to what? See, mountain and its environment. Yes, so mountain, Malai, Malai சார்ந்த இடம். Yes, then Mullai, forest and its surroundings. காடு, காடு சேர்ந்த இடம். That is காடு சார்ந்த இடங்கள். Next, Marudam, agriculture land, that is, and its adjoining areas. Yes, that is, agriculture means what? Yes, விவசாயம். Yes, so and its adjoining areas too. Yes, which are all based on agriculture, farming process. Yes, so that is Marudam. Then Neidal. Neidal refers to what? Sea and its environment. That is கடல் சார்ந்த இடங்கள். Next, Palai, desert regions. So desert region and its environment. Yes, based on, that is, desert area. Yes, Palaivanam, desert region. Yes, so these are all the five land classifications. Yes, and with Sangam period. Yes, so what are they? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Yes, so these are all the five classification of land we are having in this our geography. Yes, so let's recall that classification, that is first order landforms. Yes, see, what are the first order landforms we are having? See, it refers to continents, oceans. Yes, it consists of what? Continents, ocean. See, continents means vast land masses and earth. Yes, so that is the continents. We are having 7 continents. Yes, what are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America. And among these 7, which one is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. And among these 7 continents, which one is the smallest continent? That is, Australia is the smallest continent. Yes, so that's it about the continent. Next, we're coming to the oceans. The oceans refers to huge water bodies. Yes, so it always filled with water, and it came from the process of, it is pond, lake, river, sea, and then to ocean. Yes, then what are the oceans we are having? We are having, there is 5 oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. And among these 5, which one is the biggest ocean? That is Pacific Ocean. And among these 5, which one is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. Yes, so these are all the continents and oceans, right? So here, land classification. See how many lands, how many kinds of land we are having? See, we are having 5. See, what are they? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Yes, so these are all the 5 kinds of land. Yes, so that's it, student. See, we will see in the next session. Yes, thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.